Welcome to PrinceDrive Garage. My name is Solomon Kemani. Over here we have a Toyota Hiace van with a 1KD FTV engine. This vehicle has come in because it has no power at all. We have tried to check on it and we can see that it has a problem with the turbo. If you look closely at this data, you will see that the turbo is actually supposed to work between 40 and 99. Basically, when the variable nozzle turbo for 1KD is at idle is supposed to be at 90% closed, but this one is basically stuck at 40. So even if I try to rev it a little bit, you can see that it's still stuck at one place at 40%. So let me try to show you. Over here we have this turbo is actually electronically controlled. So it has a turbo actuator over here. This controls the percentage in which the turbo can open and close. So over here we have this one over here. This is the actuator. This one moves this lever mechanism over here to open and close the turbo down here. So this one is supposed to move just as when you press the pedal. But as you can see, this one is stuck. So we are going to open it up and have a look at it. So stay with us and stay tuned. Thank you. Toyota Hiace 1KD turbo issue project update. We have already opened up the actuator. Here it is. As you can see, this one looks pretty fine. The bearings are all okay. Very nice. This is the actuator, all of it. So this mechanism over here normally is used to play this thing, the diaphragm, the turbo diaphragm, up and down like this. So this one is also not stuck, so there is basically no need to open up the turbo. This one is perfectly okay. So now this now brings us to a conclusion that it is basically the wiring that has an issue. So we are going to check the wiring and then we see how it goes. Stay with us and stay tuned. Thank you. Welcome to Toyota Hiace 1KD turbo issue project update. So finally we have managed to zero in on the problem. So the turbo over there is usually controlled by this turbo driver over here. So now if you look at this thing closely, you will find that somehow water got into the wiring circuit. As you can see, all these sediments means there was water that penetrated the driver. So this one got an internal short circuit, so it is not able to drive the turbo actuator over here. So now we have put another one, this one over here. It's a turbo driver. Now I want to show you guys how now the new one actually works. Like that. So now we hope now that we are going to secure the new driver so that it doesn't get water in the near future. So thank you and stay tuned. Toyota Hiace 1KD turbo issue project update. So we have assembled everything back together. I want to show you guys now how the vehicle is responding on the ECU. So you can see, let me see whether this is visible. I hope it is visible. Let me see. Yes. Yeah, as you can see now, the turbo command is at 88%, engine speed around 750. This looks now pretty okay. Previously we had it at 40, so it actually means that the turbo driver was not working at that time. So if I press a little bit of rev, you can see it is responding so well. The turbo command, especially the turbo command. You can see, yes. So besides that, what we have also done, we have done a little bit of Juakali silicone on the driver itself. This is a new driver, so that now the water doesn't get in so easily as it had done before. Plus now, of course, we advise the owner not to take care so that this thing doesn't get water later. So we hope this car is going to serve the customer pretty well. Thank you very much and stay tuned.